What's going on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. As you can see, we're right next to Utiki, across from the lighthouse. We're also right next to 1000 North. Today, we're on Saxdor's 270 GTO. So we're starting off with the bow of the boat. There's this nice sun pad here. There's also cup holders on the starboard side, as well as the grab railing, just about the length of the bow up here. You got two speakers up here as well. So you're going to be sitting up here, soaking in the sun rays, enjoying the water, and you can be having a nice drink. Now, working our way back, there's a nice windshield wiper to the front of the windshield. Now, at the helm here, there's a 3-wide bench seat, as well as some more JL audio speakers. Now you're going to notice we're up in the sun and the conditions out there. There's this nice hard top here, which covers a good portion of the boat, as well as these tinted windows underneath the hard top. You can actually still see through it, but you're still getting the sun protection. There's also lights off the hard top here. Now at the helm, you're going to have a Simrad GPS, as well as your bow thruster, throttles, trim tabs, and all your switches right here in arm's length. For a 27-foot boat, having your bow thruster, you're gonna have, and twin engines, you're gonna have great control of this boat. Below to the berth. So yes, this is a 27-foot boat, but you can actually sleep 2 people. As you'll see, I'm about 6 feet myself. I'm gonna lay down on this tree. You can see the length of it. I still have plenty of room. We have 2 lights right above your head, as well as another light over here on the starboard. And if you look straight up, there's 2 glass panels here. So actually you're gonna get some natural light in here. Over here, where I'm facing, is a nice pad, but it also reveals your head. There's a sink here as well as some more storage. Now follow me to the back of the boat for the remainder of the video. Now at the back of the boat here, we have twin 200 horsepower Mercury V8 engines that's going to give this boat a great performance. On the port side, you have a sprayer here where if you're at the sandbar, you want to spray off all the sand off your feet before you get into the boat, you can do that on the back. What's nice too is maybe you have some younger kids on the boat, maybe you have some pets, you can actually lift the gate up, close it off, and that'll seal off this area of the boat. Moving forward, you'll notice there's 4 JL audio speakers throughout the boat. It's going to allow you to listen to your music. You don't have to worry about the music being too quiet. Underneath the hard top here, you have this nice teak table where you can actually take this backrest and push it forward like the position it's in now, and you'll have 6 seats around this teak table. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video on Saxdor's 270 GTO.